What's up guys? For today's property tour, we are going to be checking out floor plan Nexus in the community of Aria Crossing. So if you are looking for a home that has solar panel included, definitely stay tuned and check this one out because it might be the right one for you. Let's get started. My name is Ramiro Fregoso. I'm a Las Vegas realtor that specializes in new construction home. And if this is your first time to my channel, what I do in my channel is I tour all the new construction homes and show you what these builders are offering, so you can decide if this home and this community is a right fit for you. Because let's be honest guys, buying a new build home is exciting, but there is a lot to consider. You got pricing, incentives, and not just that, what is included with your home. That's where I come in. I guide you through the process and find the perfect home for you. If that is something you're interested, subscribe to my channel. Also tap that bell, that way you don't miss my upcoming tour. Today we are in the community of Aria Crossing by Beazer Homes in the master plan of Cadence in the city of Henderson. And in this community, they have all single story homes. They have 3 different floor plans. They range from either from 1,769 square feet to up to 2,735 square feet. They range from either from 3 to 4 bedrooms, and they start from 504,990 up to 601,990. Also, we are located in the southeast of Las Vegas, and we are about, I would say, 25 minutes to the Strip, 20 minutes to the airport, and about 20 minutes to downtown Las Vegas. HOA here is $75, and what that includes is you will have a Olympic-sized community pool. You got parks, dog parks, trails, and much more. So in this community, it is a non-gated community. Like I mentioned, there is a total of 3 different floor plans, and they also come with 3 different elevations. So each different elevation comes at a different starting base price. And what that means, guys, is pretty much 3 different looks the front of your home. Also, they're going to be building 61 homes total here in the community. So not a very large community, but it's still a decent size community. So also, when you hear the base price, another thing to keep in mind, guys, that does not include any of your lot premiums or upgrades. So here the lot premiums are starting from $7,500 to up to $20,000. And also for upgrades, it kind of depends on you, right? So I would say on average, I would add about 20 to 30,000 also on top of that base price, just to give you a good idea of what the out the door price is. Also, another cool feature about this community, guys, is that you will have solars included with your home purchase. And the neat part too also is that you also get to write it off on your taxes. So solar's included and you get the tax write-off. So I think that's definitely a win-win. So let's quickly go over the floor plans that are available here in this community. So you have the floor plan Vision, and that is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,725 square feet, 2-car garage, and starting base price for that one is $504,990. Then you got floor plan Nexus. That is either a 3 to 4 bedroom. It comes in a 2.5 to 3 bathroom, 2,191 square feet, 2-car garage, and base price for that one is $548,990. Then you got Aurora, and that is a 4-bedroom, 3 bathroom. It is 2,735 square feet, 2-car garage, and starting base price for that one is $601,990. So now let's go take a look at this model to see if it's right for you. All right, guys, so here we have floor plan Nexus And this tour is gonna be a lot different from what you're used to, because this is gonna be pretty much a look behind the walls. So you're still gonna see the whole layout, but you're gonna actually see what's behind the walls to give you a good feel of how Beazer makes their homes and how they also make them energy efficient. So here we have Nexus, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3 bathrooms, 2,191 square feet, 2-car garage, and starting base price is $548,990. Really quick, it does not include your lot premiums or your upgrades. They do have 2 quick move-in homes as of making this tour. So they have one at $571,295, and they have another one at $614,187. Let's go inside and check out this bad boy. All right. Let's see. It's going to be a lot different from the other tours. Look at this. It's pretty cool. So they all the floor plans here pretty much almost have like the same layout, at least from the entrance, right? I feel like as soon as you walk in, you do have 2 bedrooms on the left and right side, and then between you have your bathroom. So first, let's start off with this one. And I mean, they're just showing you, you know, the carpet and the padding they use. Look at this, guys. Eco-friendly, renewable material that is ultra soft, durable, and stain resistant, perfect for pet owners. So if you have pets, even if you don't, right, you're still gonna benefit from it, because we all spill stuff once in a while. Accidents happen. Let's continue over here. This is pretty cool. This is actually one of my first, it is the first time that I see a model home that is showing you guys behind the wall. Look at this, guys. So this is gonna be your hallway bathroom. Obviously, you're gonna have a sink right here, your toilet. They got your stand up, and even here, they show you like half, you know, what they put underneath, and the tile showing it above, but pretty cool. I like that. And even their insulation, guys, they use the foam insulation. I mean, they say it's better, right? I'm not a contractor or know anything about, you know, I'm not a home builder, but from what I hear, you know, it is better than, you know, your old traditional insulation. So here's gonna be the 2nd bedroom. Obviously you don't see nothing here, but I mean, look at, this shows you behind the walls. Isn't that cool? I think it is. Now I know when I'm trying to hang stuff to my wall that, you know, how much the spacing is of those 2x4s. But, you know, sometimes we're afraid. So like if you have your outlet here, just know that the, you know, the power pretty much goes kind of straight up, at least here, right? But yeah, I mean, look at this. Some details of, you know, the insulation they use. Pretty cool, pretty neat, in my opinion. Let's go over here. See, so you got the, you know, the cement, and then straight ahead, you got the tile. Look at this, and then here to the right, you have your kitchen. This floor plan is pretty much, I don't know if you got a chance to see, but Aurora, that's pretty much the same layout, except with that pop-up, that 2nd floor. So if you don't want that pop-up, this is pretty much really similar from what I'm noticing right here, at least. Could be wrong, but it definitely does seem like it to me right now. Quartz countertop, ground cabinets, you got the stainless steel hardware, refrigerator, and you know, them being energy efficient, guys, pretty much everything's gonna be electric, right? Even the stove. So if you're a gas cooker, is that a deal killer? Let me know. Your pantry, good size. Let me show you the view from here. So you got your stainless steel undermount sink, dishwasher. Then let's come over here. Look at this, guys. I mean, you could just see on top, you know, you can kind of see where they have the sheetrock and where they don't. Yeah, it's pretty cool. definitely, you know, it's neat to see how they build homes. You know, sometimes it's hard to even imagine, right? You see dirt and all of a sudden you see a house. It's like, how was it built? Well, this gives you actually a good look at how it's being done. I mean, look at that, you know, spray foam, there it is. That's the spray foam that they use for the insulation. Then, you know, cool rooftop system, new point concrete roof tiles. Yeah, so kind of gives you everything. And even if you come over here as well, look at this. I'm not trying to give you a tour how it's how they build it, but I'm going to show you real quick, right? I think at the end of the day, you know, it is important how builders are building their homes. They all love to show off how they do it, but if you want, you know, just pause it, take a look at that if you want. But so far, what do you guys think of the layout? Besides, you know, seeing how this home is built, pretty cool. I think it's cool. So I'm gonna show you the backyard real quick. You know, lot premiums here start off at $7,500 up to $20K. Just kind of depends on the lot you go with. Keep in mind, guys, you don't get this landscaping. Clean slate. I mean, even look at right here. It says the foundation is insulated. Ah, cool in my opinion. So let's go. And so this is gonna be the primary room and then your laundry room to the left. I'll show you that in just a second. But let me show you over here first. So, I mean, look, you got the foundation and then you got your flooring. And then they show you the padding they use and how they do it. Pretty cool. Look at that. You got the Pertec. Look at this. 9-foot ceilings. Then right here you do have, so this, yeah, this is gonna be like your hallway bathroom, I guess you could say, maybe, right? Trying to figure out. See, it does make it a little confusing when it doesn't have the doors and the sheetrock, but here you do have, looks like a powder room. Then over here, I'm assuming that's probably gonna be like a coat closet right here. Look at this. Pretty cool. What I do like, if I had to give my 2 cents about that foam spray up there, like say you have to go up and do some work in your attic, now you can see everything on the floor of your attic versus it being covered up with the insulation. So you know, that is one key takeaway that I take is, you know, sometimes don't do it too often, but I do have to pop up in the attic for whatever reasons, right? Let me show you the garage too. And look at this. Beazer just loves to show off, right? That's awesome. Not all builders show you stuff like this, so I like how they're very transparent and leave a house like this to give you a look in between the wall tour. Like, that's awesome. You got, you know, if you have electric cars, there's the solar system and all that good stuff. Charge up your car, electric car, you got Tesla, whatever you have. But look at this. There's your water heater. Definitely digging it. So now let's go look at the primary bedroom. If you guys are enjoying this tour, guys, do me a huge favor. Like, subscribe, and tap that bell. That way you don't miss my next tour. You know, we stay up to date. And also, as we head to the primary bedroom, guys, so here's a key tip for new builds. Always bring me or a trusted realtor on that first visit, guys, because if we're not there, the builder may block us from helping you later. Their agents work for them, I work for you. I'll negotiate the best deal, protect your interest, and help you avoid any costly mistakes. I have my contact info below, guys. If you have any questions, just give me a call, shoot me a text. So One of the things that Beazer does do is their furnace, they put it on the same floor as the living areas. Instead of it being in the attic, because they say it gets super hot, especially during summer, they feel like when they put it here on the same living floor, it's more energy efficient and it's better for you. So you will have the furnace in the same living area. So pretty cool in my opinion. Definitely something different. I could almost guarantee you your HVAC tech will probably be thankful it's here rather than the attic. I could almost guarantee that. Whenever it does need to be replaced. You got your smart panel box. So right here, this is gonna be your laundry room. I know it's hard to sometimes your imagination, but I mean, look at just, you can see the piping in between. You got, power. Pretty cool. Now let's go over here and check out, which is the primary bedroom. I mean, even the windows, guys, we'll get to it right now, but energy efficient. See? High performance windows. Our windows reduce utility costs, improve indoor comfort, and protect against UV damage for a brighter and more durable and comfortable home. And there it is. Look at that. Here you got some sheetrock here, part of the house, right? So it's cool that they kind of, even like over there, it's not like finished sheetrock on the other side of the living room. Kind of shows you before they actually get to, how when they spray it. Even here's got the duct work. I would imagine this is probably, I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's gonna be a wall. I think it is. Maybe could it be a linen closet right here? I'm assuming it is. But then here we get into more of a finishes, right? As we get to the end of the tour. Pretty cool how we started kind of more raw, and then as we finish, it's more of a completed home. Oh, I was gonna say, why is one vanity? And then I look to the left, here's the other vanity. So don't freak out. If you need two vanities, you have them. Because I was like, how's the primary gonna have one vanity? There's your stand up. And then over here, is your toilet. Then last but not least, your walk-in closet. Look at this bad boy. Pretty good size. Well guys, I mean, hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely different from what I'm even used to, so I'm sure this is definitely different for you. But I think it's a good cheat to kind of see how these homes are built. So if you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notification. If you guys have any questions, I will have my contact info in the description below. Until next time, guys.